Did you know? Creole Gumbo is often called the melting pot in a bowl because it combines cooking traditions from Africa, France, Spain, and Native America, and the longer it cooks, the richer and deeper the flavor becomes. Hello there. Welcome to Taste Without Borders. In today's edition, you will learn how to make Creole Gumbo. Kindly subscribe for more tutorials and recipes. Warm, bold, and packed with layers of smoky, spicy goodness. Creole Gumbo is the heart of Louisiana comfort food. This iconic dish is famous for its dark, flavorful roux, vibrant tomatoes, tender meats, and the holy trinity of vegetables. Every spoonful tastes like a celebration, and once you make it at home, it will instantly become a favorite. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 onion chopped, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 300 grams of smoked sausage sliced, 300 grams of chicken cut into chunks, 1 cup shrimp peeled and divined, 1 can chopped tomatoes, 5 cups chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of Cajun or Creole seasoning, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 cup sliced okra, optional but traditional, 2 spring onions, chopped, fresh parsley chopped, cooked white rice for serving. Method: 1. Make the roux. Heat oil in a large pot, add flour, and stir continuously on medium heat until it turns deep brown, chocolate color. This step gives gumbo its signature rich flavor. 2. Add the holy trinity. Stir in onion, bell pepper, and celery. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for another minute. 3. Brown the meat. Add chicken and sausage. Cook until lightly browned and fragrant. 4. Build the flavor. Pour in the tomatoes and chicken stock. Add paprika, thyme, oregano, bay leaf, seasoning, salt and pepper. 5. Simmer. Let it cook on low heat for 35 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. 6. Add shrimp and okra. Add shrimp and okra and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. 7. Garnish and serve. Sprinkle spring onions and parsley on top. Serve hot over fluffy white rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.